How to fix keep your account safe two-factor authentication problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search Facebook. Click on Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find desktop site. Click on desktop site. Make sure there's check mark. And then try logging into your account. Add your email and then add your password and press on login. After you have done that, it will show problem. So before adding any authenticator app, you can click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then click on desktop site and make it to normal mobile. In here, click on try another way. Then select Authentication app or any authentication and press on Continue at the bottom. After that, add the code that is sent and press on Continue. After you have done that, you'll be logged into your account. If you click on Save, it will directly lead you to Facebook app. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on three lines, simply scroll down in here. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. In Settings, simply click on Account Center. Then go to Password and Security. In Password and Security, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Two-Factor Authentication, which is the second option. Then click on Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Authentication app or any authenticator that is enabled. And press on Authentication app, turn off, and you're good to go. This is how to fix keep your account safe Facebook two-factor authentication problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.